Let's dive right into some of the top free AI tools you can start using today. First up, we have ChatGPT. This tool is a game changer for anyone who needs help with writing, brainstorming, or even coding. You can ask it to generate ideas for a blog post, help you draft emails, or even provide explanations for complex topics. The conversational style makes it feel like you're chatting with a knowledgeable friend, and the best part? It's completely free to use. Next, let's talk about Canva's AI features. Canva has integrated AI tools that can help you design stunning graphics in no time. With features like Magic Resize, you can create a design for one platform and instantly adapt it for others. The text-to-image generator is also impressive, allowing you to create unique visuals based on your descriptions. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete novice, Canva makes it easy to produce professional-looking content. Now, if you're into video editing, you can't overlook VEED. This online video editor has AI-powered tools that simplify the editing process. You can automatically generate subtitles, remove background noise, and even add music with just a few clicks. It's perfect for content creators who want to enhance their videos without spending hours on editing. Plus, the user-friendly interface means you can jump right in, regardless of your experience level. For those who need to analyze data, Google's AutoML is a fantastic resource. It allows you to build custom machine learning models without needing extensive coding knowledge. You can upload your data, train your model, and get insights that can drive your business decisions. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to leverage data in a meaningful way. If you're looking for something a bit more fun, try out DALL. This AI tool generates images from text prompts, allowing you to create unique artwork or visuals based on your imagination. Want a cat wearing a spacesuit? Just type it in and watch the magic happen. It's a fantastic way to explore creativity and generate content for social media or personal projects. Another essential tool is Grammarly. This AI-powered writing assistant helps you improve your writing by checking for grammar, punctuation, and style issues. It's like having a personal editor at your fingertips. Whether you're writing an essay, a business proposal, or just a quick message, Grammarly ensures your writing is polished and professional. For those interested in coding, GitHub Copilot is a must-try. This AI pair programmer suggests code snippets and functions as you type, helping you write code faster and more efficiently. It's especially useful for beginners who might struggle with syntax or for experienced developers looking to streamline their workflow. Lastly, let's not forget about Notion. This all-in-one workspace has integrated AI features that help you organize your notes, tasks, and projects. You can use it to generate summaries, brainstorm ideas, or even create to-do lists. It's a versatile tool that adapts to your needs, making it easier to stay productive. These tools are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what AI can offer. They're accessible, user-friendly, and can significantly enhance your productivity, creativity, and efficiency. So, take a moment to explore these options and see how they can fit into your workflow. You might just find your new favorite tool.